For someone who doesn't want to do the same thing every day and wants a challenge of the unexpected, explore nutrition management.
I would love to treat the people who are suffering from nutritional needs or who are nutrition deficient.
You get that kind of experience too, how to run staff, how to deal with staff, management.
I had like 25 employees under me, so I had to deal with everyone daily.
If you were to come and visit us, you would be able to see and hear the fun that happens because our faculty believe strongly that students will learn more if able to apply the learning hands-on and have fun while they're doing it.
I feel myself so lucky that I picked this program.
We will get many jobs.
Overall, we have a great time and we learn some really cool, fun things, and we have great careers afterwards.
I love it.
It has taught me to be industry ready and have a confidence with me that I can do it.
I believe everyone will enjoy the course.